I feel so short. Okay. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalom Blac. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Be a part of the family by subscribing and also clicking on the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. So from today's title, as you guys can see, my face is already done off camera, and I usually don't do this because you guys know I do like the whole transformation from scratch to, like, you know, the end. But today I really wanted to focus this video on just my eye makeup. So I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup, and I feel like a lot of people, when you think of soft glam, you think less makeup, but that's not really what soft glam is. Soft glam is just honestly just keeping it very neutral and soft. So it's not a lot of colors, it's not really a lot that you're doing. It's very soft and easy. Well, supposedly it is easy. Shout out to our sponsor today, Sephora. We are going to be using some of the newer Fenty Beauty products. One of my favorite is the mascara. This is called the Full Frontal Mascara. I love this because it adds a lot of volume and length to my lashes. I have pretty short lashes, so this actually makes it visible. You cannot go wrong. And of course, we are going to be using the Snap eyeshadows. I love this because they are travel friendly, but we're going to talk more about it in the video. And of course, we have the Fly Pencil long wear pencil eyeliners. I love this too. So let's get into the videos. Good thing about this eyeshadow that I really like, guys, you get to like snap them together. So I have 6 and 2 here, and I actually have the other shades too. But you basically just snap them. So now we have palette 2 and we have palette 6. I also have 1 and 3, and these have been my favorite lately to travel with. Like, I literally just get to take one palette with me because I really like my eyeshadow, or my eyeshadow looks to be very neutral. Every now and then I would not mind, you know, putting some color on. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Hopefully I can bring you guys a little closer so we can get into the eyeshadow. This is as close as we can get, so let's get started, shall we, darling? First palette I'm using is the palette 2, and I'm taking the shade Wife It Up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying that right above my crease. This is kind of like a really soft lavender shade. At least on me, it's coming off a bit more lavender, but like a grayish purple shade. So I'm gonna go into palette 3 and take the shade No Fudge Given, and this is just a really nice brown shade, and I'm gonna kind of use that to give my crease more of a definition. So putting on this shade, I'm making sure that I'm not going around like so, but I'm also kind of going straight out into like going up to my brows basically. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this is going to help open up our eyes and make it look so much larger when we go in and apply the main shade for the lid. I'm just making sure to really blend that out and diffuse that color, because we are going for a very soft glam, you know. So I'm going into palette 3 and I'm taking the shade Nudie Booty, and I'm going to be focusing that as my main color. So that is going to be going right on the lid. Look how pigmented that is just showing. Usually shades like this really do not be popping on my eyes, but this is actually showing, and it's not dusty at all. To keep it very soft, I'm not using any black eyeliner, but instead I am going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner, and this is in the shade in Big Truffle, and it's just this beautiful brown shade and very easy to the eye, so it's not going to be so harsh. So I'm just going to go right on my lash line and just apply that. And I really like this eyeliner because it does not budge, which is great because sometimes you just do not want to deal with smudges and anything like that. One thing I noticed about my eyes is that one eye is actually bigger than the other. So no matter how much I try to mimic the other eye, it just doesn't work. Like my right eye, I feel like my brows are more high up, so it gives me more space to work on, versus this one is a bit lower. So no matter how much I try to mimic that to the other one, it just always looks different. It feels so different to applying makeup to it. I'm going to bring that eyeliner to my lash line and just apply a little bit just to give the eye more of a definition. Now you do not have to do this with Self Glam, but I just want to make my eyes have more definition. I'm making sure I don't apply that in my inner eye corner, but I'm very close. So I'm gonna go back in No Fudge Given, and I'm just taking just a little bit to blend right underneath that eyeliner. Ever so lightly though. We're not really going for smoky eyes today. I'm gonna go back in palette 2, and I'm taking the shade Wife It Up again, and I'm just putting that right in my inner eye corner to just open up my eyes more. So I'm taking the Full Frontal mascara. This mascara basically helps to voluminize, lift your brows, and also curl it. Now I pretty much have curly lashes, so I wouldn't really be needing it for curling, but more so for really volumizing my lashes because they are pretty short, and it's also going to lift it to help it look a bit more longer. And I just love how it is. Like, do you guys see that? The bristles. The fat to flat bristles actually helps to create a more fuller and longer appearance to your lashes. Hence the reason why I really like this, and you guys are going to see the difference. This makes it so much easier to do the bottom lash line because my lashes are pretty short. So I do have to go in like very closely to pick out those little tiny lashes I have on the bottom. Okay, so here we have the eye with the mascara on and the eye without the mascara. As you guys can see, like, just a huge difference that mascara does. It just makes your eyes look so much bigger, so much wider and awake. So I really love that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. We are at the end of this video. I know this video was pretty quick, and I know you guys are used to more of a longer video, but I think I just want to kind of take my time now and do each category of makeup, so you guys are really more so picking up on how I do my makeup. So if you do want to see how I do my brows and how I do my foundation, complexion, makeup, do let me know in the comment section down below, and those videos will be coming up very soon. So this is my finished soft glam eyeshadow makeup look. As you guys can see, it's very subtle. It's not a lot, honestly. Like, if you're from afar, you wouldn't really think I have eyeshadow on, but it just kind of gives the eyes a bit more of a definition, but very simple and subtle, which I really love. I just want to thank Sephora for sponsoring today's video, and everything that I use and mention is going to be in the description bar down below, so make sure you guys check them out if you are interested. Thank you again so much for joining me in this video, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from today's video. But thank you for watching, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.